All right, seventh graders, you have finished The Outsiders Chapter 1 and you've moved on to Outsiders Chapter 2. All right, so I have given you the exact same list as you saw with Chapter 1. After this chapter, I will not be doing this anymore. I will just have the guided notes up in Canvas for you guys to download and complete and then give to me, submit to me through Canvas. I did not, and I hope you guys were successful with Chapter 1. I did not put page numbers where these answers could be found in case someone has a different edition of the book. So if you're having trouble finding the answers, you can contact me and I can help you get them through, get you to what page you would find the answer on. So once again, enjoy this chapter. Hopefully you so far are enjoying the book. And as a little motivator, when we are done with the book, we will be watching the movie that goes along with it. So enjoy chapter 2 and get ready for chapter 3 next week.